You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we are answering a very simple question. What is the best security camera system in terms of picture quality, durability, and other range of security features? Is it Hikvision camera systems? Is it Dehua camera systems? Is it Joe Vision or any other brand that you can think of? At the end of this video, we will conclude on which one is the best in terms of picture quality, reliability, and all other features that are required of a good CCTV camera system. Let's start by going back to our question. What is the best security camera system? The best security camera system can be produced as a result of knowing what goes into having characteristics such as good quality pictures, easy accessibility, reliability, and also having a system that is durable. Let's start with picture quality. The sharpness or clarity or otherwise of an image in a CCTV camera system is known as resolution. The higher the resolution, the better the quality of pictures that the CCTV camera will produce. The unit of resolution is megapixels, abbreviated MP. Currently in the market, you'll find cameras of resolution 2 MP, 3 MP, 4 MP, 5 MP, and even 8 MP, which is also known as 4K. Picture quality can also be affected by the quality of cables used in CCTV camera installations, especially in AHD CCTV camera installations. There is therefore the need to carefully choose the right cables when installing AHD CCTV cameras. Let's now look at accessibility. This refers to the ability to easily view the CCTV cameras either online or on site, either through a mobile phone, a computer, or directly logging onto the recorder. CCTV camera accessibility on a mobile phone or on a computer is now a common feature on all brands of CCTV camera systems. Next is reliability, or the ability of the CCTV camera system to perform or work consistently without unexpected downtimes. Reliability largely depends on the technician installing the CCTV camera system and also on the useful life and depreciation of the CCTV camera system. On the part of technicians installing the CCTV camera system, inappropriate cable terminations contribute greatly to disconnects and then eventually unreliability. Even though manufacturer defects contribute at times to unreliable systems, such situations are very rare. Let's now look at durability. Most security cameras have their main component, which is called a charge-coupled device or CCD, having a lifespan of between 5 to 25 years. Even though the charge-coupled devices have lifespan ranging between 5 to 25 years, ignoring ingress protection ratings and preventive scheduled maintenance can limit the durability of a CCTV camera system. Please note that there are other components in the security camera system with varied lifespan that also need maintenance in order to have a completely effective security system. In conclusion, I will say that the best security camera system can be produced out of any brand if you have knowledge of what goes into good quality pictures, reliability, durability, and accessibility. For more information on CCTV camera installation, please visit my channel Tech Inside Out. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.